In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Drive storage. Understanding how much storage you have left on Google Drive can be really helpful, especially if you're managing a lot of data across different Google services. Let's dive into how you can easily check your storage status and even free up some space if you need to. To get started, open up your Google browser. It really doesn't matter which one you use, as long as you can access the Google homepage or any Google service. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon. You can usually find it in the top right corner of the page. It's the icon that looks like a small grid or a group of dots. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to find and click on Google One. Google One is the service where you can manage your Google storage across various platforms like Gmail, Google Photos, and of course Google Drive. After clicking on Google One, you should see an option labeled Storage. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on Storage, you'll be taken to a page that gives you a detailed breakdown of your storage usage. This page will show you how much space you are currently using and how it is distributed across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. It's a really handy way to see at a glance where your storage is being consumed the most. On this same page, you can also see your total storage capacity and how much of it is left. This is particularly useful if you're nearing the maximum limit of your storage plan and need to make some decisions about what to keep or delete. If you find that you're running low on storage, don't worry, you have options. There's an easy to find button labeled Clean Up Space. By clicking on it, you can start deleting files and emails that are taking up unnecessary space. It's a quick win to manage your storage without having to upgrade. But if cleaning up isn't enough or you just want more breathing room, look for an option on this page that says Get More Storage. Clicking on this will direct you to options where you can purchase additional storage from Google. They have a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets, so you can choose whatever fits your situation best. That's it. Now you know how to check your Google Drive storage and even how to manage it efficiently. This way you can ensure you're always staying within your limits while keeping your files organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.